there! Today, I'd like to discuss how to disable email collaborators in Docs editors using xFanatical Safe Doc. In educational environments, collaboration is a key component of learning, especially in group projects or when students work together on assignments. However, the ability to email collaborators directly from Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides can introduce a range of issues related to communication control, privacy, and security. Allowing students to email collaborators freely from Docs editors can lead to several concerns, such as inappropriate content, off-topic communication, or inappropriate comments. That's where xFanatical Safe Doc comes for the rescue. Restricting this option using Safe Doc, educators and administrators can prevent students from sharing documents or sending unsolicited messages to their collaborators, which can help maintain focus on academic tasks and reduce potential disruptions. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Doc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Email Collaborators policy and setting the value to True, you can disable emailing collaborators in Docs editors easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.